Hey, this is Joe Gilder from Presonus. In this Studio 1 Minute, I'm going to show you how to mix faster with templates. I'll give you a step-by-step guide. But first, why would we do this? Well, if you're mixing an album, when you finish mixing song number 1, it doesn't make sense to go back and start from scratch with song number 2, especially if they're similar vibes. What I love to do is to create a template from the first song and use that for song 2. So song 2 starts off already sounding pretty good at the very beginning of the mix. Here's how to do it. Step 1, spend plenty of time getting a good sounding mix for song number 1. Step 2, use the Save As command to create a new file. Step 3, delete all the audio events. Step 4, remove unused files from the session. Be sure not to permanently delete them. Step 5, use the Save As template function. Step 6, create a new song from that template. Step 7, drag the tracks from song number 2 into this session. Step 8, rinse and repeat.